Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. I've got an unboxing for you and a giveaway for you. We are unboxing the fall FabFitFun box. Let me set this down, it's kind of heavy. So yes, we are doing a giveaway in this video. I also want to tell you about another giveaway I've got going on. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of September. It is the Pure Festival palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. Take you to the video, talks about how to enter that one. We also have already unboxed the FabFitFun Fall Mystery Box, and there's a giveaway in that one too, and that one will be in the description box down below as well. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. It's $49. I do have a season. I do have a code for you in the description box down below. There's supposed to be over $200 worth of products in each of the boxes. I have found that there's way more, most of the time double that. I've had some really good boxes. I've had some not so great boxes. It'll be interesting to see where this one lies. I do know some of the products because I do purchase my membership annually, so I have more choices because of that. So we are going to be giving away one of the items in here. Biggest rules for my giveaways: you must be a subscriber. I do check and watch the video in its entirety. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you need to know, so be on the lookout for that. I do also have starter boxes to give away. So if you're interested in trying FabFitFun and never tried them out before, just let me know, and all you have to do is basically pay for shipping. What they have you do is they have you basically sign up for the service, and you have 21 days to cancel it if you decide it's not for me. There's usually over a $75 value in their starter boxes. I also wanted to mention what I have on my eyes right now. I picked this up in a BoxyCharm add-on. This is their 730 Iconic palette. It's super, super pretty. We will be giving away one of the items in here. I don't know which one yet, so we will see. So the value in the box could be anywhere from $214 to $544. You guys remember, you only spent $49 or $39 if you use my code. So the first item is from Botkier. So this is their New York Bond Tote. Retails for $128. That seems like a little bit flimsy to me to be retailing for that much. This cute little zipper here is cute. I think that's on either side. Inside is a zipper pocket on this side, and just a couple of open pockets here on this side. So it says, use this spacious carry-all to hold your laptops, make it bag and more without weighing you down. Shipping restrictions may apply. Retails for $128. That seems like an awful lot for that one. I think the bag, I should have maybe picked something else, honestly. You could have also picked this really cute little backpack. It is a multi-functional backpack, holds all the essentials and styles, retails for $100. I think that one's actually more cute than this bag. You could have also gotten a 25mm black curling wand. Don't really need curling wands. With a rose-colored barrel, retails for $99. You could have gotten this Sealess Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner plus their huge extreme lash mascara, retailing for $45. You could have gotten the Uncommon Jane set of 2 copper canisters. I almost wish there was a third one because 2 just seems kind of weird. Anyway, retails for $45. You could have gotten the Sacagawea styling and a finishing cream, retailing for $65, or the Mila Minaj foldable cotton basket, retailing for $60. The neighbors just started mowing their lawn, so sorry if you hear the mower in the background. Next item, you could have got the Beyond Yoga Hidden Pocket Infinity Scarf. And it's a lightweight scarf. It features a hidden zipper pocket that's big enough for your phone, wallet, or lip balm. Retails for $59. That is what I chose. So I don't want to put it on now. I've got a ton of makeup on, but this, let me look how big this infinity scarf is. Here is that hidden zipper pocket. I think this is so ingenious for you. Let's say you don't want to take your whole big purse and you don't want to put your keys in your pocket, put just your key for your car in here. Love this. I think it's super cute. And what a great idea. So this category was for an all members choice. So is that last category. You could have gotten the Glossometics hair removal device. It retails for $59. The Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum, retailing for $65. The Soy and Koi Woven Scarf Ficken with Fringe, retailing for $85. The Volatin Beauty Celery Green Cream, retailing for $55. Or the Erno Lasso Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. I tried that mask, it's really good, you guys. Retailing for $48. This next section is an all member section as well. You could have gotten the Jenny Bird Austin Cuff. Oh, this is so pretty with the different metals. Retailing for $135. You could have gotten the Jenny Bird Leana Pendant, retailing for $115. That is what I chose. And it's a hand-formed drop, delicately hangs on a stampered high polish curved chain and is layered with a box chain. And how cute is that? That would be really cute. It'd probably go down the tatas, but super cute. You could have gotten the Vitamask multivitamin mask set, retailing for $40. So if you watched my eye mask video I put up last week, I did a Vitamask eye mask. I wasn't impressed. That thing burned my eyes. You could have also gotten the Nectar sunglasses, blue light blocking glasses, and brown tortoise, retailing for $45. I think I got a Summer and Rose one that was in a tortoise shell shade. That's a tongue twister. In a prior box. Speaking of something that came in a prior box, Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding Palette. This cute fall colors retails for $38. So this next section is for select members. Those are the members that pay for the whole year in advance. There is a Mason Tops glass water bottle with neoprene in turquoise, retailing for $35. I like it. I don't know if I normally pay $35 for a glass bottle. From Anastasia Beverly Hills is their clear brow gel, set in shape and color of your brows with this lightweight gel, retails for $22. I do most of the time use the Benefit one that has a little bit of color to it. I do like the clear one, though after I do like an eyebrow tint, which I'm in the need of to get another one done. You could have also gotten in this section the Skin & Co. Aroma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream, retailing for $28. The Feel Beauty Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser, retailing for $28. Guys, kind of be a little weary of this one. It has ground up walnut shells. Nobody needs scraping that irritation going on the face. You could have also gotten the Franken Body Original Coffee Scrub for $16. This next section is also a select member pick. And if you aren't a select member, then FabFitFun will just pick one of those for you. You could have got the hip cutlery set. This would have been perfect for my son who lives in the dorms. Retails for $14. The NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil in Hiracha, retailing for $18. The Liquid RX Stress Reliever 100% Natural Viteric Hair Oiler. I've never even heard of that. Let me know if you guys have in the comments down below. Oh, speaking of which, if you guys can leave a comment, let me know which of these things are your favorite things in here. The more people that like and comment, the more YouTube uses its algorithm to kind of help promote the video. So give yourself a scalp massage to relieve dry and stressed out hair. I do kind of have stressed out hair. While calming the mind. Retails for $75 and trying to grow out the grays. and a little bit more, probably even about another 6 months more before I can do a final cut on it and get, because I've just been coloring my hair since I was in my early 20s is when I started going gray, so it's time. So see if this one, I'll give it a go, but 75 bucks? Come on. You could have also gotten the 8 Other Reasons Runway Clip Trio, retailing for $22. And Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes and Juice Cleanse. I've gotten those multiple times before. Those retail for $16. So these last ones are FabFitFun picks for you. So you could have gotten the Bosch New York Pedicure in a box duo pumpkin spice, retailing for $20. The Laundreless New York Crease Release, retailing for $16. That's what I did get. Can it crease release my face? Just asking. Just a personal question. It easily removes a moderate wrinkle from clothing and fabrics with this spray, especially when ironing isn't an option. Retails for $16. Might be kind of good to throw when anybody ever does any traveling again, so you don't have to worry about ironing. I'm always bringing like a little big steamer with me. Or you could have gone from Spongella the Box to Flower in a Sweet Cedarwood, retailing for $16. You guys know I love my Spongellas here. The next category was also FabFitFun pick. They would pick one of these for you. From Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment Mask, retailing for $16. Stone Candle Room Spray and Pumpkin Spice. I've tried some of the Stone Candle stuff before. It's really, really good. The Stone Candle Room Spray in Acetal Noir. I think that's the one that I had that I really did like. Or the Hysterically Sleep Mist. And I'm glad that this is the one that I got. I know it has a lavender scent, and I love lavender scents right before I go to bed. It's formulated with witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. This mist creates a tranquil sleep environment. Retails for $22. Yes. The last category, you could have gotten the Beauty Peppier Golden Sunflower Shower Gel, retailing for $30. The Ziggy Mariah's Pouch with Stripe, retailing for $30. That's kind of cute. And the Beauty Crop Glow Milk and Blind Date Enriched with Coconut Highlighter gives you a lit from within glow, retails for $19. So I did get it. It is in the shade Blind Date. I really don't do a lot of liquid highlighters, so let's do that as for the giveaway. And because it's fall, let's use fall as our secret word. So total of this box, $456. Remember, you only spent $39 if you used my code, or $49 if you didn't, on the box. Was there $49 worth of product in here? Yeah. Was this my favorite box? No. I was more happy with the Mr. Bundle that I got instead of this one. And even when I was picking out the choices, I was really like, nothing super duper said, wow, pick me. So, just my thoughts. So what you need to do to enter this, I'll put a Google link in the description box down below. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to put your YouTube name on that Google form so I can check, yes, this person is subscribed. Remember to also put that secret word in there as well. This is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damage, customs, anything like that for it to get to you, or if it's damaged or broken or whatever when it does. I try to pack things up very nicely, though. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. I've done this as a way for me to give back to you because I love giving back to you guys. I love being a little ray of sunshine in this crazy, crazy world we have going on. Let's have this giveaway go through October 6th. On October 7th, I'll go ahead and pick the winner using a random number generator. Make sure to only fill that out once. That way it is fair to everybody. I do the random number generator. That way it's fair. So don't say pick me or you're going to be disqualified, because that's not fair for everyone. So there's 2 extra bonus entries. If you go follow me over on Instagram, that handle is beauty AMA, AMA, and the letter B. And then also if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. When I do the random number generator to pick the winner, I will notify them, hey, your prize is in the mail. I will also pin on the next day, so on October 7th is when I'll do the picking. On October 7th, I'll also put in the comment section of this video the winner's first name and first initial of their last name. That's how I do announce my winners. So it was a good box, it just wasn't my favorite box. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you if you have the time. I greatly appreciate you checking them out. That's how we can help grow this channel, and I do need your help to grow it. You guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.